Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we bring you a detailed review of the DOOGEE Fire 6 Power, a device designed to meet the needs of even the most demanding users on the go, with a large 15,500 mAh battery and supports for 18 watts 3-in-1 reverse charging, a durable design, top-notch cameras. This smartphone sets a new standard in this class. Join us as we explore everything this device has to offer, from its striking looks and accessories to its performance in everyday use. If you are ready, let's watch this DOOGEE Fire 6 Power video review. Right at the top of the package we discovered the Fire 6 Power phone, which we set aside for now. Let's take a closer look at the accompanying items. Inside you will find a user manual written in many languages, extra screen protector and accessories. It's important to know that the smartphone comes with a built-in protection right out of the box. There is also a sleek black USB-C charging cable included. And we also get something that I never seen in a smartphone package before, and that's this 18 watts 3-in-1 reverse fast charging cable, which means that with this smartphone we can also charge all the mobile devices via cable. So we have this standard USB Type-C output, as well as this old micro USB, and even the lightning connector to connect Apple mobile devices like iPhones, iPads and iPods. Last but certainly not least, we have a 33 watt fast charger. Now that we thoughtfully examined the contents of this box, let's refocus our attention on the smartphone itself. At the first glance, the DOOGEE Fire 6 Power reveals its carefully designed aesthetics, which appeals both in appearance and functionality. The back of the phone is made in high-quality leather material that not only adds a touch of luxury but also extremely practical. It is resistant to dirt and does not leave fingerprints. To the touch, the surface is soft and smooth, but at the same time provides a secure grip, making the device comfortable to use even for a long time. Special attention has been paid to the details on the back, which use a combination of landscape colors inspired by the nature. On the dominant green background, there is a subtle red fragments on the upper and lower parts, which are the touch of exclusivity and are reminiscent of the design of the much more expensive DOOGEE DK10 model. This combination of colors and patterns gives the feeling that you are holding a real work of art in your hand and not just a smartphone. The camera on the back is perfectly integrated into the overall design. The camera frame is decorated by the precise Morpho 3D patterns, which amplifies the sophistication and luxury of this device. These details not only add aesthetic value but also indicate high quality craftsmanship. On the top of the phone there is a dual LED flashlight with the output of the 120 lumens, which is ideal solution for anyone who likes outdoor adventures, night walks or wants to be safe in case of power outage. Now moving on the physical features of the phone, the right side of the device boasts a sleek dark gray steel frame which houses 3 buttons. 2 of these buttons are used to adjust the volume, while the 3rd button serves as both the power switch and a fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone you will find the SIM microSD tray that can support 2 nano SIM cards at the same time as a memory card with up to capacity over 2 TB. Nice. We also have this programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications, and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. So this one button has a total of 3 functions. Finally, at the bottom of the phone we have a USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 rating, and there we can also see these grills of the waterproof speaker. At the top of the front of the DOOGEE Fire 6 Power is a 8 megapixel selfie camera. The selfie camera is not just there for photos, it supports advanced features like face unlock, allowing for secure and quick access to the device. Beneath it, it's a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS display with the rich colors, excellent contrast and 90Hz refresh rate, which exudes fluid movement through applications, games and multimedia. Although not AMOLED, IPS technology ensures that this display provides vivid colors, excellent contrast and good sharpness, making watching multimedia, browsing photos and using applications extremely pleasant experience. The display is optimized for outdoor conditions, so it remains reliable even under strong sunlight thanks to its smart adjustment of brightness and contrast, thin borders and customizable color and the temperature settings further contribute to a pleasant visual experience, making this display perfect for everyday use. Now the back of the DOOGEE Fire 6 Power is carefully designed to combine sophisticated look and practicality. The round camera model blends perfect with the artistically designed back. The center part of the model is occupied by the main 50 megapixel camera, which thanks to advanced AI algorithms allows you to take photos rich in detail and vivid colors. This camera excels in various lighting conditions, ensuring crystal clear photos. In addition to it, additional 2 megapixel macro camera allows you to capture small details from close-up shots. The rear model is accompanied by a powerful LED flash, which provides excellent light in darker environments, complementing the camera performance. As for video, the device offers a recording in 1080 pixel resolution at 30 fps, providing smooth and sharp frames. All this rounds off the overall impression that this device not only impressed with its appearance but also with a very good camera performance for this price range. Now, to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our DOOGEE Fire 6 Power, so let's take a look. DOOGEE Fire 6 Power is powered by the Unisoc T606 octa-core processor, which brings the impressive combination of energy efficiency and stable performance. This processor enables fast and fluid execution of everyday tasks such as web browsing, multitasking, and even gaming without straining the system. With impressive of up to 20 GB of working memory, 8 GB of physical RAM, and up to 12 GB of expandable virtual RAM, the device enables the smooth use of multiple applications at the same time. The 256 GB internal memory provides plenty of space for our apps, games, photos and videos, while supporting the TF card expansion allows for other flexibility up to 2 TB. The gaming experience on this phone is surprisingly good. Unisoc T606 combined with Android 14 is optimized to provide a comfortable and stable gameplay. Even for the most demanding titles, games run smoothly with a satisfactory performance and minimal device heating. The 90 Hz refresh rate screen further contributes to the feeling of fluidity, making the gaming experience even more enjoyable. The Android 14 system comes with the latest optimizations that improve efficiency and security, while additional functions such as focus mode, fast application launch and smart resource management makes this device ideal for demanding users. All these features make the DOOGEE Fire 6 Power a versatile smartphone that excels in everyday use as well in the world of mobile gaming. The DOOGEE Fire 6 Power is equipped with the modern connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable and efficient connection, dual-band Wi-Fi for fast and reliable internet, NFC for contactless payment, and a precise GPS system with support for GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou, making it an excellent choice for everyday needs and navigation. Whether you use it for driving, hiking or city walks, this system provides you fast and accurate information about your location wherever you are. The real star of the Fire 6 Power smartphone is certainly its impressive 50,500 mAh battery, which sets new standard for durability. This battery provides days of continuous use without the need for recharging, which is ideal for users who often travel or are on the go. So it provides 1,410 hours on standby. Additionally, the battery supports 33-watt fast charging much faster than you'll expect for this size. But what's even more impressive, its support for 80 watts reverse charging, which allows this device to serve as a portable battery for other devices. One of the accessories that comes with the package, which is rarely seen, it's a 3-in-1 cable for reverse fast charging. This cable allows you to charge all the devices with different connectors. It has a standard USB-C output as well as a micro USB for older devices and a lightning connector for Apple devices such as iPhone, iPad and iPod. This is extremely convenient for users who use multiple devices at the same time and helps out friends with low batteries. Let's not forget to mention that this phone is fully resistant to external influences and harsh conditions, and that leaves no room for compromise with its tough exterior, reinforced components and mil-STD 810H certification. It withstands multiple drop tests on all corners. It achieves IP68 and IP69K levels of protection, guaranteeing against water, humidity, dust, sand, etc. This phone behaves like a true warrior under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough handling work to provide extra strength and sturdy features, better waterproof and dust-resistant performance. This phone is designed for challenging off-road conditions with all resistance certifications, providing incredible full 360-degree resistance and safety. DOOGEE Fire 6 Power is an incredible device for those looking for a powerful smartphone with a large battery, a resistant design and modern features with a good price. Its durability, performance and additional features make it an ideal choice for adventurous business users and technology enthusiasts. So if you are interested in purchasing this Fire 6 Power, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of the current promotional pricing as quickly as the quantities are limited. Grab your DOOGEE Fire 6 Power today. That's all for now. We'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.